Okay, this is our morning weather update for Alexandria, Virginia. It's July the 8th, about 8 a.m. Okay, today we'll be getting rain, probably on and off. Certainly after 9 a.m. We should start seeing some sprinkles. Though it's doubtful we will see any strong or severe thunderstorms. We do have a 10% chance of having thunderstorms, and they'll probably occur more in the after 2 p.m. Time frame. The predicted amount of rain for today is anywhere from virtually nothing up until perhaps a quarter of an inch, but most of the models are saying under a tenth of an inch of rain today. So it shouldn't be a real wet day, but it will be rainy. The more interesting thing is actually for tomorrow, and I believe we're at an elevated risk for severe thunderstorms, and I actually was saying that yesterday before the Storm Prediction Center even mentioned this. And let me switch over to their convective outlook. Okay, this is, let me see, okay, good. This is the convective outlook for Thursday, the 9th. And as you can see, DC is right here, and we are within a marginal region, this darker green, which is generally about a 5% chance of seeing severe thunderstorms within 25 miles of any one point in this region. Okay, I want to show you this, which this is the College of DuPage Supercell Composite Index, and I've been following this for at least 36 hours previous. It has been consistently showing us in this orange to even red area. We're right in this region. This is the latest run of the high-resolution North American model, and it's showing this at about 5 p.m. Thursday, July the 9th. And if we switch this to, let's do the NAM now. Same thing, we'll do the sector northeast, and we're going to do convective outlook, supercell composite. Let's bring this up to Thursday at, yeah, there it is. Okay, this is actually also showing us in the orange. We're right in this area here. Just to our west in the panhandle of West Virginia, there's in fact a red area, which is a very elevated area. And if we increase this a little bit, we remain in this through 8 p.m. Thursday, July the 9th. And so there definitely is an elevated risk for severe thunderstorms for tomorrow. Let me switch over to this. This is the high-resolution NAM simulated radar, and if we move this up to Thursday about let's see where we're at. Okay, this is about 4 p.m. on Thursday, and as you can see, this is showing a line that perhaps has passed through before 4 p.m. You can see a line building up over in this area right here, and then the next output shows this. If we switch to the NAM, on the other hand, this shows this is DC Alexandria here, and this is set for 8 p.m. Let me make sure. Yep, 8 p.m. on Thursday, July the 9th. And it's showing an extremely elevated area of CAPE, convective available energy, just into Virginia, just on the other side of the West Virginia border. And if we show the water vapor, we definitely have enough water vapor in that area to cause thunderstorms. So we got the Cape and we got the water vapor present. I want to also show you the buff kit information. Let's bring this up. Good. Okay. This is the line where I have it right here is, let me bring up the other page so I can see the time. Let me bring this down. Let's bring this up. Oop. Got a little slowness in the computer at the moment. Let me go ahead and do this. Okay, and now we'll bring up the overview, which overlays it. Okay, this currently is at 5 p.m. today. You can see that while we are getting into a high level of convective available energy, that's what this little peak is, there's really no moisture present. So we're going to get rain today in the neighborhood of under 1/10 of an inch. But if we advance this over to Thursday, this is Thursday at 5 p.m., you can see we have these extremely high clouds that are building. And these clouds are topping out at about 45,000 feet. That's actually anything above 25,000 feet, and you start getting into the possibility of severe thunderstorms. And we're going to be peaking right here in this area. If we drop back to this is buff kit, of course, and this is the latest NAM. And currently this is set for 5 p.m. where we have maximum amount of Cape. We have the minimum amount of the capping force, which allows the lower atmosphere to lift and go to the higher altitudes. And we have a severe weather threat index over 300. So definitely we have all the ingredients for a severe thunderstorm. If we advance this a little further, at 6 p.m. we're showing 2 dots. That's a little less than 3/100ths of an inch per hour. But if we advance this up another to 7 p.m. on Thursday, we're now up to about 1/10 of an inch an hour of rain. And if we go a little further, we got the critical 4 dots, which means extremely heavy rain, sometime about 9 p.m. on Thursday, July the 9th. And that would probably be almost 1/3 of an inch an hour, which is going to be quite a bit. If we go back to, let's go back to the overview again. This is the rain levels up in this area, and if you look at this, it's projecting that we're going to get about 0.7, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain over Thursday. So I do think between today and tomorrow, the day we need to really watch is tomorrow, July the 9th in the afternoon. I'm going to be doing another update certainly early tomorrow morning, and it definitely suggests that Thursday, July the 9th, you should stay weather aware throughout the day. Okay, I think I'll wrap it up there. If you have any questions, just give me a tweet at PatPend, P-A-T-P-E-N-D. Thanks.